Foreground is a decentralized affiliate marketing and advertising solution being built by a Chicago-based team of seasoned developers and business professionals. We have decades of consulting experience and an extensive track record of delivering world-class software solutions for enterprise customers. I'm Rick Feiner, the founder and CEO. Foreground's ICO is different than other ICOs because we have a working product, not vaporware, and we have a go-to-market strategy that makes us quick to revenue. Affiliate marketing is an arrangement between an advertiser and a publisher that is facilitated by a middleman called an affiliate network. The affiliate network's role is to ensure that publishers get properly paid for revenue-generating traffic that they drive to an advertiser's site. But there are two problems that exist in the industry. The first problem is that affiliate networks are expensive. They take about 40% of advertisers' spend for their services. Foreground eliminates this expense by allowing advertisers and publishers to work directly with one another through a low-cost blockchain-powered interface. The second problem is that existing affiliate tools don't work with the rapidly growing decentralized web infrastructure. Foreground provides a product that does. At a deeper level, Foreground does three things. First, it allows cryptocurrency payments that can be tied back to a user's browser history. Second, it automates affiliate payment terms via smart contract. And third, it allows advertisers and publishers to form reputations based on a 100% accurate history of transactions that are recorded to the blockchain. Foreground has a three-step process for taking our product from the crypto space into the mainstream. The first step is to target the $3 billion ICO market that has literally sprung up overnight. Most ICOs are using cumbersome manual spreadsheets to manage their makeshift affiliate programs. Foreground replaces these efforts with a purpose-built affiliate tool that is more sophisticated and easier to use. This market is immediately addressable for us and represents hundreds of millions of dollars in affiliate spend. The second step of our plan is to target merchants in the cryptocurrency space. This includes cryptocurrency exchanges, hardware wallet retailers, and anyone selling products for cryptocurrency. The long-term plan is to target the $7 billion global affiliate market. This includes the market for technology, home, sports, and fashion products. The Foreground network is powered by the Deal token, which is different than other tokens that exist on the blockchain. Our token is structured as a coupon with a face value that is denominated in Ether, which means that if the value of Ether goes up, the value of our token goes up. Deal tokens also function as coupons, which allow our users to easily access our service by paying in Ether. Easier access for our customers allows us to grow our business more quickly. Foreground is revolutionizing the affiliate marketing industry, and you can get in on this by participating in our token sale on November 28th. Thank you.